If your Challenger's CarPlay keeps dropping out mid-drive, it is usually a simple cable or software handshake issue. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay failures stem from using low-quality cables that cannot handle the data stream. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your Uconnect system stable again. Start by cleaning your phone's charging port and switching to a genuine Apple cable to rule out hardware fatigue. Inside your Uconnect settings, make sure your iPhone is prioritized in the device manager to prevent signal fighting. On your phone, ensure CarPlay is allowed while locked and try disabling any active VPNs which can interfere. Wired issues are usually physical, while wireless drops are often due to local Wi-Fi interference or phone heat. As you can see, the vast majority of these headaches are fixed by simply upgrading your USB cable. If all else fails, perform a soft reset by holding both the volume and tune knobs until the screen reboots. Keep a high-quality data cable and some compressed air in your glove box to handle future connection hiccups. Remember that tech glitches are often just a software handshake failure that a quick reboot can solve. With a fresh cable and a clean port, your Challenger is ready for the road, safe driving.